Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Trifold smartphone is quickly becoming one of the most buzzed about tech devices of the year, but not for the reason you might think. Fans around the world have been waiting for this futuristic triple folding phone, but new leaks suggest that only a select few regions will actually get their hands on it. According to trusted insider Evan Blass, Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Trifold exclusively in a handful of markets including South Korea, China, Singapore, Taiwan, and possibly the way. That's right, no United States, no Europe, and no global rollout. This comes as a major shock to fans who were expecting a worldwide launch, especially after reports earlier this year hinted at a possible US release. But if you look at Samsung's history, this move actually makes sense. Samsung has always been strategic and cautious when introducing new and experimental devices. We saw this recently with the Galaxy Z Fold 6a, which was also released only in South Korea and China. So it's clear, Samsung wants to test the waters before committing to a full-scale global launch. Now, let's talk about why the Galaxy Trifold is such a big deal. This isn't your regular foldable phone. Instead of folding once like the Galaxy Z Fold series, this device folds twice, transforming into a massive tablet-like display when fully open. It's a bold, futuristic design that's meant to show just how far Samsung's innovation can go. But why limit it to just a few regions? Well, there are a few key reasons. First, reports say Samsung is only producing around 50,000 units of the Trifold. That's tiny compared to the millions of Galaxy S and Fold models the company usually ships. This low production number suggests Samsung is testing market demand because honestly, even though the idea is fascinating, no one knows how many people actually want a triple folding phone yet. And then there's the price tag rumored to be around $3,000. That instantly narrows its potential audience to a small group of early adopters and collectors. Let's face it, not many people are ready to drop that much cash on a first-generation experimental phone. Samsung has also learned from experience. Remember the first Galaxy Fold back in 2019? It had major display problems and durability issues when it launched. That taught Samsung a valuable lesson. When you're dealing with cutting-edge tech like multiple hinges, flexible panels, and moving parts, it's better to roll it out slowly. Releasing the Trifold in select markets lets Samsung fine-tune the product before going global. For US customers, that means a longer wait. Other brands like Huawei have already released triple folding phones, but those too are limited to Asian markets. Samsung's careful approach could mean it'll take another year or two before this technology becomes mainstream worldwide. Still, make no mistake, this device represents one of Samsung's boldest things. Subscribe to the channel